Hey there! Searching for the top 5 best soldering station to upgrade your electronics repair and assembly work? Welcome to Best Product, where we review the most reliable and high-performance tools to help you solder with confidence and precision. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Bakon Soldering Station. The Bakon Soldering Station is designed to deliver stable performance, precise control, and improved user safety for both hobbyists and professional technicians. Built with a focus on durability and comfort, it integrates advanced heating technology with an ergonomic structure to support long working sessions without discomfort. At the core of the device is a 90-watt ceramic heating element, engineered for long life and consistent heat output. The ceramic core ensures stable thermal performance, allowing the soldering iron to maintain efficiency even during continuous use. This is further enhanced by a thermocouple sensor positioned at the top of the heating body, enabling fast and accurate temperature detection with quick recovery whenever heat levels drop. One of the standout features of this soldering station is its wide and precise temperature control range, spanning from 200 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius. This flexibility allows users to adjust the heat according to different soldering tasks, whether working on delicate electronic components or handling more demanding repair work. The control system ensures stable and accurate temperature regulation throughout operation. Safety is also a key priority in the design. The built-in earth leakage protection adds an important layer of electrical safety, helping to reduce risks during use and ensuring a more secure working environment. This makes it a dependable choice for both home workshops and professional settings. In terms of usability, the Bakon Soldering Station comes with a complete accessory kit, including a soldering iron handle, tip, and essential tools, allowing users to start working immediately without needing additional purchases. The ergonomic handle design further enhances the experience by reducing hand fatigue, making it suitable for extended use. Overall, the Bakon Soldering Station combines reliable heating performance, precise temperature control, and enhanced safety features in a compact and user-friendly design, making it a practical solution for a wide range of soldering applications. Next, at number 4, is the JCD Soldering Station. The JCD Soldering Station is designed to deliver precision, stability, and efficiency for a wide range of electronic repair and assembly tasks. Built with advanced features and user-friendly control, it supports both beginners and professionals who require consistent performance in soldering work. One of its key highlights is the intelligent PID temperature control system. This technology continuously regulates heat output to maintain a stable temperature, ensuring accurate and reliable soldering results. By minimizing temperature fluctuations, it helps improve the quality and consistency of every joint, making delicate electronic work safer and more efficient. The station also features a wide temperature range of 100–500 degrees C, allowing users to adapt easily to different materials and applications. Whether working on small circuit boards or more demanding components, the adjustable heat settings provide flexibility for various soldering needs. Equipped with the JCD T12 Max soldering iron, the system ensures strong performance and durability. The iron is engineered for fast heating and efficient heat transfer, making it suitable for continuous use in repair environments. This helps reduce waiting time and improves overall productivity during tasks. For convenience and safety, the soldering station includes an automatic standby sleep mode. When not in use, the system automatically reduces power consumption, helping to conserve energy and extend the lifespan of the heating element. This feature also enhances operational safety during long working sessions. A clear LED display is integrated into the design, providing real-time temperature readings for precise monitoring. Users can easily adjust and verify settings at a glance, ensuring full control over the soldering process without guesswork. Overall, the JCD Soldering Station combines smart temperature control, energy efficiency, and practical usability in a compact and reliable design, making it a dependable tool for modern electronics repair and maintenance work. Coming in at number 3, we have the Geeboon Soldering Station. The Geeboon Soldering Station is a high-performance welding tool designed for precision, safety, and long-term reliability. Built with advanced protection and intelligent control features, it ensures stable operation even under demanding electronic repair and assembly tasks. One of its key safety features is short circuit protection with an ultra-fast response time of less than 12 microseconds. This helps safeguard both the device and the user during unexpected electrical faults. The station is also engineered with a hot swappable heating core, which prevents damage to the main unit and heating element, ensuring consistent performance and extended durability. When paired with a C245 heating core, the system can unlock an impressive maximum power output of up to 240 watt, making it suitable for both delicate soldering and heavy-duty applications. It supports a wide range of soldering iron tips, allowing users to adapt the tool to different working requirements with ease. The device complies with relevant safety standards for welding operations and features dynamic temperature compensation with power adjustment. This ensures stable heat output and accurate temperature control during continuous use. A real-time power display provides users with clear operational feedback, improving monitoring and precision. For enhanced usability, the soldering station includes a temperature lock function with password protection, preventing unintended adjustments. It also offers 4 working modes: working, standby, sleep, and shutdown. The sleep and shutdown modes are designed to reduce thermal stress, helping to extend the overall lifespan of the equipment. Simply placing the handle on the soldering iron holder automatically activates sleep mode, adding convenience to daily workflow. Additionally, the built-in graphical interface displays welding temperature trends and operational data in real time. This visual representation helps users better understand temperature behavior and device status, making it easier to maintain consistent soldering quality. Overall, the Geeboon soldering station combines intelligent control, safety mechanisms, and powerful performance features, making it a reliable choice for precise and efficient soldering tasks. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Fnirsi soldering station. The Fnirsi soldering station, including the DWS 200 watt power rapid heating soldering iron station kit, is a high-performance tool designed for precision electronic soldering tasks. Built with a strong focus on efficiency and control, it combines powerful heating capability with smart temperature management features, making it suitable for both professional technicians and advanced hobbyists. At its core, the station features a high power output of up to 200 watt, enabled by a built-in pure copper transformer. This allows the soldering iron to heat up rapidly, significantly reducing waiting time and improving workflow efficiency during continuous soldering operation. It supports a wide input voltage range of 100 to 240 volt, ensuring stable performance in different working environments. One of its key strengths is the flexible temperature control system. The adjustable temperature range spans from 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, allowing users to handle a wide variety of soldering applications, from delicate electronic components to more demanding repair work. The system also supports easy switching between Celsius and Fahrenheit for user convenience. The station is designed with an HD color display that provides real-time monitoring of temperature settings and operating status. It also includes a dynamic temperature curve mode, enabling users to track temperature behavior with precision for more controlled soldering results. Additionally, 3 preset temperature memory settings allow quick switching between frequently used configurations, improving efficiency during repetitive tasks. Energy efficiency and tool longevity are also key considerations in its design. The real-time sleep mode automatically reduces power when the iron is idle, helping to conserve energy while also extending the lifespan of the soldering tip. This feature is especially useful for long working sessions where intermittent pauses are common. Furthermore, the Fnirsi soldering station supports compatibility with F210 and F245 soldering handles, offering enhanced versatility and broader tool integration. It can also be connected to a soldering iron stand with standby induction support, adding another layer of convenience and safety during use. Overall, the Fnirsi soldering station DWS 200 combines high power, intelligent temperature control, and practical energy-saving features into a compact and efficient soldering solution for modern electronic work. And finally, our top pick for the Yihua soldering station. The Yihua soldering station is designed for precision electronic work, offering advanced control and convenience for both hobbyists and professional technicians. Built with a high-performance soldering handpiece system, it supports both Type 210 and Type 245 handpieces, which can be used simultaneously or operated independently depending on the task requirements. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of soldering and desoldering applications. A key feature of the station is its tiltable display, allowing users to clearly monitor temperature and settings without needing to constantly adjust the unit's position. This improves workflow efficiency, especially in detailed work environments where focus on small components is essential. The station also includes an automatic calibration system that ensures accurate temperature control. It corrects any discrepancies without the need for external thermometers or multimeters, maintaining consistent and reliable tip temperature throughout operation. This stability is especially important for delicate electronic components that require precise heat management. Another intelligent feature is the automatic screen display splitting function, which offers multiple viewing modes, including prioritize right, prioritize left, and adaptive display. This allows users to customize the interface based on their working preference and setup. To enhance durability and reduce wear, the soldering station is equipped with a sleep mode function. When the handpiece is placed back into its holder, the system automatically enters a low-power idle state, helping to extend the lifespan of the soldering tip and reduce unnecessary energy use. Additionally, the device features 3 memory presets, enabling users to store and quickly switch between different temperature settings. This eliminates the need for repeated manual adjustments when working with various components or soldering tasks. Designed specifically for precision soldering and desoldering, the Yihua soldering station is well suited for working with microcomponents under a microscope or handling small circuit boards. Its combination of smart features and stable performance makes it an efficient tool for detailed electronic repair and assembly work. Ready to upgrade your soldering setup? Check the price link in the description to find the best option for your needs. Like and subscribe to Best Product for more top reviews and expert buying guides.